Has anybody ever asked you, like, what do you like to do, or what do you like, and you just be like, I don't know? It's like, but you should know.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
What is up, Nova Nation? This is your girl Vana SUPERNOVA, and today I have another lifestyle video. Today we're going to talk about advice I'd give to my younger self, and this is actually good advice for any person who is of age. If this applies to you, if the energy speaks to you, this message is for you, okay? So before I jump into it, if you love lifestyle videos just like this one, don't forget to check out the lifestyle playlist right here so you won't miss out on a thing. All right, y'all, so let's get it. The first tip I would have for my younger self, and when I say younger self, I mean anytime before today, anytime before the age of now, okay? Hell, this is even for 10-year-old supernova. This is for all the ages, all the stages. I wish I would have taken heed to this, okay? And this is like a sister video to the last, but I'll get into that and I'll link it right here. So yeah, continuing. First tip, find time for those you love. So a lot of times, I don't know about y'all, but I always, like, whenever I feel overwhelmed, I kind of distance myself and I kind of disconnect from those who I love. And I don't know why I do this. I know it's because I have tunnel vision. I really do. Like, when I have a goal, it's like, this is my goal, okay?
Right now I gotta keep a tunnel vision.
And everything else, the outside world, is just that. It's outside of this. So in an effort to change that, I try to open up more and involve people in my vision so that I'm sharing my world with them, and so I don't have to feel like I'm deviating from my goals, if that makes sense. So that's something I've changed within myself. And if you have an idea of how I can also change that, please help your girl out, because it's something I still struggle with. Tip 2 is to travel more. So I know it's always easy to have an excuse like, oh yeah, I have school, or yeah, I have to work. Everybody has school, everybody has to work. That doesn't mean you have to stop living your life, okay? Manage your time, find the quaint. Work OT if you have to, but it's important to expose yourself to different walks of life. It's crazy. Sometimes I hear some of my friends who have never left the state. Hell, I have friends who've never left the city, let alone the state.
2 kids afraid to leave and stoop. 2 kids afraid to leave and stoop.
That's kind of ridiculous. It's like, it's not like they don't have the means to. You can't miss something you never had. So it's not like they're missing out on traveling. They've never traveled, so who gives a crap? They see the pictures online, but it's like, okay, well, I'll never be able to afford to go there. If you're ever wondering how these young folks are affording to go to all these places, man, I'll make a separate video about that. Like, it's not hard, y'all. You can do it if it's what you want to do, and you should. Number 3, I would tell my younger self to keep my hobbies. I used to play the violin. I used to play the trumpet. There's different activities I used to love doing, and I just never kept up with it because new priorities trump those things I love. And in a way, I put those things that I love so far on the back burner that now they're not even on the stove. Like, I don't even know where these hobbies are. Has anybody ever asked you, like, what do you like to do, or what do you like, and you just be like, I don't know? It's like, but you should know. I don't like that feeling. I mean, now that I'm trying to rejuvenate myself, I'm gonna use that term, rejuvenate, okay? I'm trying to rejuvenate myself. Now I can see the things I like to do, the things I don't like to do. I can remember who Supernova is, you know? Now that life has slowed down and I'm not stressed by school and activities and this, that, and the third, and I've paced myself, I can focus and try to go back and dig for all the stuff that I threw out, you know? Things that used to be so important to me. I want to enjoy the things that I loved to do, the things that I didn't think I would have time to do. So younger self, keep on doing the things that you're doing. Just because you have new priorities doesn't mean you have to throw away things you love. Doesn't mean you have to throw away the people you love. Keep on doing you, boo. Keep doing you. Which leads me to tip 4. It's okay to be you. Not everybody's gonna like you, okay? Everybody will forever have something to say about you. Everybody's gonna feel like how they think things should be done is better. I mean, it's ridiculous. I almost don't even want to address it, but I have to because I'm speaking to my younger self here. Hello. Like, not everybody is you. So yes, do take heed to the words they're telling you, but also take it with a grain of salt, okay? Because yeah, they're speaking from experience, but their experience is not your experience. And sometimes other people's experience, they can allow that to be something to discourage others. I'm like, that's kind of toxic. So, I mean, live your life. It's okay to be you. It's okay to not listen sometimes, and it's okay to make your own mistakes. And sometimes that's necessary. So yeah, the last tip I have is keep the path. You will be rewarded in the end. So if you are in the pursuit of something, keep pursuing. You will fail, yes, maybe, but keep pursuing, because eventually you won't fail and you'll succeed. And that'll be your own personal testimony, okay? Not everything comes easy, and that's okay. Sometimes it shouldn't come easy because there's lessons to be learned in the process, and once you learn those lessons, it makes you a better person. Just because you fail doesn't mean you are a failure. That means you are in the process of learning. You will reach a point to where failure is no longer an option, and that's when success happens, okay? That is my last tip to my younger self. Before I get into the question of the day, don't forget to check out the tips I have for my college self. And that applies to anyone who is in college, thinking about going to college, anybody who is of the college age. Like I said, these tips aren't specific to age groups, specific to anything. It can apply to literally anyone. So I'll leave that link right here. Jumping into the question of the day. Since we talked about hobbies, etc., what is a hobby you used to have that you no longer have, something you've put on the back burner, something that you wish you could have again? Now, leave your response in the comment section below. Don't forget to share the love. If you enjoyed this video and love lifestyle videos like this one, give it a big thumbs up so I know to make more like it. And if you are new and you enjoyed it here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on a thing. I'll see you guys in the next video, alright? Bye.